Back in my days of CRM consulting, there was one really big, oozing, ugly sore that no company wanted to, one, pay to fix, or two, actually take the time to manage correctly. And before I tell you the answer, I want to give you a little riddle here because I'm curious if you can guess what this big, old, ugly, oozing, nasty thing was that everybody hated, but was the key to success in any business. If I am not managed properly from the go, then I can create not only a dirty environment to live in, but a ton of extra work to clean me up later. Lastly, I am the least sexy thing about your business, but I am the most valuable. In case you haven't guessed, I'm data. And I will say, the number one thing I always told people they needed was a data overhaul, cleanup, management. If you take the time to clean up your data and set up your CRM so that not only is data coming in always clean and valid, but the data you operate from is also the most pertinent information, then you're going to save your business time, money, and most importantly, resources, which then saves you both time and money. So data, by far, is everybody's biggest thorn in their side. However, it is also the most valuable thing. It is also the most underrated part of every single business. And truly, a CRM's main function is to make sure that all of your data is neatly organized and easily accessible for the best business decision making. And that's why